Start. Secularism is defined as something concerned with the affairs of this world. It is opposed to any kind of theocratic culture as a secular state, therefore, no religion in India has been given the status of state religion unlike in Pakistan and other theocratic states. Indian constitution has ensured freedom of religion to an individual under the provisions of Article 25 to 30. To make matters more emphatic, the word secular was incorporated in the preamble to the Constitution by way of the 42nd Constitutional Amendment of 1976. It is obvious to every right-thinking citizens of India that the coexistence of various religions in India is the core of Indian polity. Sarva Dharma Samabhava concept has guided the founding fathers of Indian Constitution. Indian society is basically a religious one. The partition of India was also based on religious divisions resting on two-nation theory. The then Indian leaders did not accept the two-nation theory concept. As a result of this, the Muslims were allowed to stay in India while all the Hindus in Pakistan were made to leave their hearths and homes. Therefore, the controversy about the secularism in India has its roots in the nature of its society. Now, the question arises as to why secularism has not been accepted by various religious leaders. As the matter stands today, secularism has not caught the roots and flowered as a healthy way of social and political life. For the last over 68 years, no political party seems to have taken unselfish and national view of secularism. Today, it is not difficult to describe secularism in India as a cult of minoritism. Each and every political party has tried to create its vote bank